Okay, everyone. One thing I want to say is whenever you are in my house, you do not want to tamper with my fire alarms. That is a big no-no. You don't ever do that. If you go to my house, you don't tamper with my alarms. If you go to anyone's house with fire alarms, you don't tamper with their alarms. That is not appropriate. And you especially don't tamper with fire alarms in public buildings, or else you will be locked up in jail. Do you want that? No. So don't tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. Only do it with your own fire alarms at home, not in somebody else's house with their alarms, and especially not in a public building for any reason. Goodbye.